guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is 𝔽𝕗𝕃𝕃. Today I'm going to be doing this turquoise cut crease. So if you have like hooded eyes like me, then you definitely want to watch this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be doing something I never really do. I'm going to do my eyes first because I don't want like a fallout mess, since this eye look is going to require me going like ham on those shadows. I just don't want to deal with the fallout. So I'm going to prime my lids with the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. This is in the shade Bare Neutral. This is actually the concealer that I use to prime my lids, or I use it for the eyebrows, like to carve them out. It's really good. I'm just going to blend that out with the Beauty Blender. And to set my concealer, I'm going to be going in with Charmer, this shade right here from the Tartelette in Bloom palette. And any bone color is fine. I'm using a flat synthetic brush to apply this. Now I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette was actually in my favorites video. I've been wanting to film something with this palette. I'm going to start off with these two shades right here, and I'm going to be going in with the MAC 227 brush. And it's actually the 224 blending brush. I'm just going to put these shadows all over the crease. Now I'm going to be taking this shade right here to like deepen up the crease a little bit. I'm going to be taking the Morphe G24. Now I'm going back into the palette. I'm going to take this shade right here using a Morphe M441 brush. And I'm really just going to pack that into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This shade is like a black, but with like a hint of like green in it. It's gonna like tie in the look really good. And I'm using that same Morphe brush. We're going to be really packing in that shade into the crease. Okay, so now we're going to cut the crease, and I like to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for this. And I'm going to be using the NYX Flat Synthetic Brush. This is number 14. So to cut the crease, since I have hooded eyes, and if you're someone like me that has hooded eyes, you want to cut the crease like a little bit over where like the fold is. So like, I don't know if you can see this, but my fold starts like right here. So you want to go a little bit over that. Now for my lid color, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm going to be using a little bit of setting spray to make that color pop. I feel like it can use a little bit of setting spray. So I'm going to be going in with this color right here towards the outer corner of the eye. And I'm gonna be going in with both of those two shadows to kind of create like a gradient from the light to the dark. Okay, so now I'm going to be finishing off my face off camera because it's just going to take forever, and I'm gonna do my brows. If you're interested in learning how to do your brows, then I do have a video on that. My everyday makeup look has my brow routine on it, so you should check that out. So after I'm done, I'll finish up the eyes. Okay, so I did my foundation, I did my brows. So now we're going to move on to under the eyes, and I'm going to be going in back with these two shades that we first used. And I'm going to be taking in a pencil brush. Now I'm going back to this shadow right here. Now I'm picking up the dark shade and we're going to smoke out the under eye. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of black and just kind of darken up a little bit the outer corners. So for my waterline, I'm going to be using the ColourPop gel eyeliner. This is in the shade Teaspoon. It's going to give it like a very nice, like dramatic look. When you use like a light eyeliner, like a white one or something close to it, it like opens up the eyes. So now I'm going to go ahead and warm up my face a little bit. I'm going to be using the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. This is in the shade Sunlight. I almost forgot my inner corner highlight, so I'm going to take these two shades right here. Now I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit Gleam palette for my highlight. I'm going to be using these two shades right here. Now I'm going to be going in with blush. This is MAC Peachy Keen, and I don't know what brush this is. I know it's from MAC, but it was actually my first blush brush, so like the number already washed out. Now I'm going to be going in with lashes. I'm going to be using the House of Lashes Iconic Lights What's New. I think they're just like the perfect lashes, and they were actually in my favorites video, and I just been using these lashes for like every look that I do now. I just can't find some lashes that fit perfectly into like my eye shape. So yeah. So to apply lashes, I just grab a tweezer and I grab the lash from the middle and just glue it on. And then I'll take the ends and then I'll just connect it. And voila. So for mascara, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash in Carbon Black. So for lips, I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop Lippie pencil. This is in the shade Bossy. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick in Mai Tai. I kind of wanted like a orangey reddish on the lips. This is such a pretty shade. I don't know if they sell this lipstick anymore. So for setting spray, I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last. This is my third bottle already, guys. This is a really good setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I absolutely love this look. It's giving me like the Wild Thoughts video with Rihanna and DJ Khaled look. Like she has this similar makeup look. I don't know, I thought so. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And be sure to like this video and follow me on my social media. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.